Is your iPhone showing crazy screen time stats that just don't make sense? Maybe it says you spent 15 hours on Instagram when you barely touched your phone. Yeah, that's frustrating. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix incorrect screen time on iOS 18, step by step. Stick around till the end because there's one final trick that often solves it when everything else fails. Let's start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. From the main screen, scroll down and tap General, then look for Background App Refresh. Once you're in there, tap it and now select Off to completely disable background app activity. Why? Because some apps run in the background and cause screen time to log usage, even if you're not actively using them. Now let's go back to the main settings page and scroll down to find screen time. Tap on it, scroll all the way down and look for app and website activity. Go ahead and turn that setting off. This will stop any reporting for now. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Next, we're going to force restart your iPhone. This helps reset the system-level code in case it's a software bug. Quickly press and release the volume up, then press and release volume down, and finally press and hold the side button. Keep holding it down until the screen turns black and you see the Apple logo. Then let go. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. It's all about getting the timing right. Now that your iPhone has restarted, go back to Settings, tap General, then Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on and that your time zone is correct, especially if you've traveled recently. Now let's return to Screen Time in Settings and toggle App and Website Activity back on. This refreshes your tracking, hopefully with the corrected stats. Check back after a few hours or a full day and see if your screen time now reflects your real usage. If it looks good, great. But if it's still off, there are two more steps. First, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest iOS version if available. Apple often fixes bugs like this in newer updates. Still seeing issues? Then head to Settings, General, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Reset and tap Reset All Settings. This won't delete your photos, messages, or apps. It only resets system settings. And in many cases, it fixes persistent screen time problems. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.